Can garlic kill parasites? According to alternative health specialist Dr. Janet Hull, garlic is an effective remedy for many types of parasites, from one-celled species to larger varieties such as hookworms and pinworms. Garlic is capable of fighting numerous fungi, bacteria and viruses. History. Garlic has long been known for its medicinal properties, particularly regarding the treatment of parasites. The ancient Greeks, Romans, Babylonians, Indians and Chinese all used garlic against intestinal worms. Why it works. When garlic is chopped, a reaction between the chemical aline and the enzyme alliinase causes the formation of the chemical allicin. Allicin, together with the odor-providing chemical ion, works to destroy many types of parasites. How to use it. Chewing 3 cloves of garlic each morning is the ideal method of attack. If you don't like the flavor, you can try the ancient remedy of wearing garlic in your shoes, slowly absorbing the oils into your bloodstream through your skin, according to the website Home Remedies.